Hello guys, welcome back. So the question today is asking us, given that t is equals to I have root 2 all over x plus y, so express y in terms of t and x. So basically what is saying, it is y to be the subject of the formula. So we are going to, in this have t is equals to I have root 2 all over x plus y. We multiply both sides by 2. So these two will cancel. So we're going to have 2t is equal to root 2 all over x plus y. So we are going to square on both sides. So we are going to have 2 square is equal to 4. 4t is equal to 2 all over x plus y. So we multiply both sides by x plus y. We have 4t into bracket x plus y is equals to 2. So we divide this on both sides. We are going to have x plus y is equal to 2 all over 4t, which we are going to have 2 in this one. So x plus y is equals to 1 all over 2t. So we take this x to the other side. So y is equals to 1 all over 2t minus x. When we subtract this on this side and on this side, this is going to cancel. So the required answer is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 all over 2t minus x. So this is the answer.